Yeah, hello friends. Welcome back to our channel again. Hope you're meeting after a long time now. Okay, so today what we're going to look at is we're going to analyze few of the charts based on the technicals, based on the chart patterns, all those stuff. Okay, so first, if you guys are watching our channel for the very first time, then I would request you guys to watch all our previous videos where we have uploaded a lot many technical analysis stuffs, a lot many option strategies to consistent returns, all those stuffs. Okay, so also if you have not yet subscribed for our channel, so please click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you'll be getting the notifications whenever we upload any new videos as well. Okay, so first we can look at the Nifty. Okay, so Nifty, if you guys have seen that after the coronavirus gets over, right? So Nifty have moved up for around 75 percentage around. Okay, so till now it has it made a 75% for the past 1 year of time. Okay, so if you see, so right now market looks at uptrend, but there we can see a small downside trend as well for every month, right? So right now if you look at market is trading at the downtrend. So what we have to do is just we'll draw some uh, support and resistance line so that how the market will perform. Okay, so since this is an short term uh, trend lines, okay, so market should take a, support, and this should be the resistance line. Okay, so wherever the market hits beyond this trend lines, right? So either it is breaking its resistance or if it is breaking its support, so it will have the same direction trend for some times. Okay, so let's say if the market is breaking its trend line on the support, so the next stop should be somewhere around this 13800, or it should come near to the 13500 levels. Okay, so if the market is breaking its support level, it will be heading towards the next support levels. Okay, so this is about the Nifty. Okay, so this is based on the 1 day candle. Okay, so right now market is trading at the support level, so it should move little bit upside only. Okay, so it should not move downside as it is taking the support at this level. Okay, so we can see on Thursday market took a support based on this trend line levels, right? So if you look at the Bank Nifty, which is the second major index in the Indian market, right? So here we can see, so this is the level which will act as an support. Okay, so which is like 32 500 levels. Okay, so if the market is breaking 32 500, then it may head towards this levels. Okay, so which is like around 31,000. Okay, so if the market is breaking 32 500 level, then it should move towards the 31,000 levels. Okay, so which is the next support level for Bank Nifty. Okay, so hoping so, based on by looking at the global indices, all those stuffs, hoping so market will not move beyond the support level, and it will take a support and it will start moving upside only, at least for some times. Okay, so this is all about the Nifty and the Bank Nifties. Okay, so let's analyze some few of the individual stocks as well, so which is forming some trends. Okay, okay, so let's have a look at Dabur. Okay, so if you look at the Dabur, right? So um, right now it is trading in the sideways, but it is forming a triangular pattern as well. Okay, so for the short term it is forming a triangular pattern. So whenever market breaks the Dabur breaks this triangular pattern, right? So it will continue its trend. Okay, so if you are a risk averse trader who's not willing to take much risk, right? So then what you guys can do is you can wait for the pullback. So let's say if the market is breaking this resistance level, you can wait for the pullback until it reaches the trend line once again, and then you can enter into the trade. Okay, so this is all about the Dabur. So this have formed a triangular pattern. Okay, so wait for the pullback, sorry, wait for the breakout, and then you can enter into the trade as per the directions. Okay, so then Dr. Reddy, right? So Dr. Reddy, I have posted the chart analysis for the last month as well, right? um, just a second, friends. Okay, so if you look at this, right, so this is trading between these levels, right? So whenever the Dr. Reddy breaks this rectangular pattern, it can move in a direction for sometimes. Okay, so right now it is trading in the sideways, so it should break this rectangular patterns. Okay, so this level will act as a resistance and this level will act as a support. Okay, so it have to break these two levels to confirm its directions. Okay, so until then it will be trading in the sideways. Okay, so we can you guys can look at my Twitter or the Telegram channels where I have posted this rectangular pattern before it takes the support at this level. Okay, so market acted uh, this particular stock acted as a this level acted as in support, and it came down until just to hit the support, and then it reversed and started moving upside. Okay, so right now it should make the breakout beyond the either the support or resistance level to have a clear print. Okay, so the next one is HDFC Life. The HDFC Life, which was we have posted the chart for the past month. Okay, so like 10-15 days back. Okay, so so I have mentioned like wait for the breakout, and here you can see just I'm showing this as a confirmation that so once the stock had a breakout, here you can see so breakout happened at the level of 714, and right now the HDFC Life is trading at 671, right? So it actually moved in the same direction after its breakout for some times, right? So right now it is trading at this level, so which is acting as a support. Okay, so it is acting as a support, so it might take a support and it might reverse towards upside, or it can head towards the downs, and it can reach the next support level, or else like it can take a support at the 200 EMA as well. Okay, so just wait for the confirmation for this particular stock trend now, because like it made a breakdown, and it came down for a past 10 trading days as well. Okay, so the next one is Lupin. Okay, so if you look at the Lupin, right, so it is trading near its support level. Okay, so here you can see so it is trading, so support 1, support 2, so this particular level acted as multiple supports. Okay, so but here we can see even though it is taking the support market, this particular looping doesn't started moving upside and keep on, it is moving towards the support level, right? So either it can take a support at 200 EMA, or if it is breaking the 200 EMA as well, then it should I'm expecting this particular stock to move downside. Okay, so because the reason behind that is it was keep on trading at the support level for the multiple times. Okay, so just have a chance of having a breakdown. Okay, instead of moving in breakout, instead of moving in upside. Okay, so because hit our mode, it was keep on trading near the support level only, instead of trading away from the support level. Okay, so that is the reason behind that. Okay, so this is all about the chart for today. Okay, so hope you guys have liked this video. Okay, so other than this, we have some paid webinars as well, which we used to conduct on the weekends on every weekends for the index and the stock based trading strategies. Okay, so if you have to consistent uh, returns from the market. Okay, so and no such technicals, no indicators, nothing involved. Okay, so the strategy will be like simply a rule based entry and exits. Okay, so you guys can WhatsApp me at 73052262224. Okay, and the respective WhatsApp link as well is available in the description as well. Okay, so you guys can WhatsApp me to attend those webinars. Okay, so only the limited peoples will be allowed to attend the sessions, because we can have a session much more interactive with the people. Okay, so only the limited peoples, like 5-6 peoples, will be available per week. Okay, so you guys can WhatsApp me to join the sessions. Okay, so I'll make sure that you guys can earn that webinar amount just in a week of time, once you are once you attend that webinars. Okay, so the sessions fee will be little bit affordable, and it is much more affordable, and it is at a lesser amount. Okay, so you guys can join, and just click on the bell icon, and just hit the subscribe button, and click the like button for this video. That will make me encourage me to upload lot many videos. Also just share the videos with your friends, and also you guys can comment your questions, so that I'm happy to help you guys. Okay, so thanks for watching, friends. Thank you, all the best, happy trading.